One of the most powerful features in Loocey is how it handles relationships between lists. You can link records like contacts, companies, and projects, and make those connections fully interactive. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a relationship between two lists, and how to display those relationships in both directions. Let's create a new list and call it Contacts. For that, click on the three dots and then select New List and give a name to it. We will call this list Contacts List. Now let's add some details in the list. The contact list will have the basic columns: name, first name, last name, and email. Let's fill some examples for this list. Now let's click on the three dots again and choose New List and name it Company. The company list will have company name and website. Let's add the following information for the company's list. Next, we want to assign contacts to each company. And for this we need to create a relationship column. Go to the contacts list, click Add Column to right. Now let's create our relationship. Under the display name column, write Company. Then turn on the relationship option. Choose drop-down option for the column type. Now, select Companies option for the Relates to List and Related to List view. For the Related Value column, select ID. And for the Display column, select Name. And hit Add to save the column. Now, in your contacts list, you'll be able to select a company from the company drop-down for each contact. This is dynamic. If you later add more companies, they'll appear automatically in the drop-down. Here is an example of this. We added a new company in the companies list, and when we go to the contacts list we can see that it is automatically added in the drop-down. Now let's make this relationship work in the other direction too. Go to the companies list and open any record. Right now, you'll only see the name. To change that, go to Contacts List and go to Company Column Settings, then open Advanced Settings. Open the Relationship option. You'll see an option that says, Select Contact View to show in Company Detail page. Choose the Contact View here. This will allow you to see all contacts assigned to that company when you open it, then save the settings. Now, when you open any of Company in Detail View, you'll see a list of all contacts linked to it. Let's go further and look at a second use case, assigning contacts to projects. Create a new list called Projects by clicking again on the three dots and choose New List and name it Projects. Let's add some records like Project 1, Project 2, etc. Now go to the Projects list and click Add Column. Under the Display Name column, write Contact. Then turn on the Relationship option. Choose drop-down option for the column type. Now, select Contacts option for the Relates to List and Related to List view. For the Related Value column, select ID, and for the Display column, select Name. And hit Add to save the column. Now you can assign contacts to projects directly from the Projects list. Again, let's go to the Advanced Settings, then open Relationship option. And choose Projects for Select Projects view to show in Contacts Detail page. Now, when you open a contact in Detail View, you'll see all the projects assigned to that contact. Finally, let's understand how the List View selection makes a difference. The List View selection in the Relationship drop-down allows the relationship to be coupled with all the filters that exist on the view. Let's do an example. Let's create a status column on our company list with two options, active and inactive, and let's go ahead and change the records so that we have some active companies and some inactive. Next, let's create a view that only shows the active companies. Simply do a Save As and name it Active Companies. Then add a filter, select Status column and value Active. Apply and save the view. To save the changes this way, anytime we go to the Active Companies view, we'll only see the active companies. And now let's say we only want to show the active companies in the drop-down when selecting a company for the contact. As you can see currently, we see all companies in the list. But since we already created the view and added the filters, this will be super easy to change. All we need to do is to go to Contacts list and open Company Columns Advanced Settings and change the related view to Active Companies, which is the one we had created to only see the active companies. Save your changes and go back to Contacts list. As you can see, you should now see only active companies in the Companies drop-down. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.